Okay, so today we're going to learn an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter. The uppercase letter we're going to learn is T. So the name of this letter is T. What's its name?
T.
T.
The sound this letter makes is T. Say T.
T.
So when I write an uppercase T, we're going to start on the top line and go down to the bottom. And then we're going to put on the hat and draw a line across the top. Sorry, that's hard to see. There you go. So when we draw the T, we start on the top and go down to the bottom and then draw a line across the top and put on the hat. T. T. Alright, good job. Okay, so the second letter we're going to learn today is the lowercase j. This is a lowercase j. The sound this letter makes is T. So name this letter?
J.
J. Okay. The name of this letter is J. Name this letter?
J.
J. Okay, the sound this letter makes is J. Say the sound?
J.
So to write this letter, we're going to start in the middle, and we're going to hang in the basement. And then we'll put a dot on top. Just a dot. Not a squiggle, not a heart, just a little dot. Okay? So we're going to start in the middle, go down in the basement, put a dot on the top. Just a dot, Mike. We try it again. Start in the middle, go down in the basement, and a dot on the top. Good job.